Phone number is often required for account security, verification, and recovery features. When your number isn't accepted, fails to verify, or appears incorrectly in Castle, in this video I will show you how to fix phone number on Castle app. First thing you have to do is to go to Castle app. Then here in this page, we'll move to the sign on above of profile. You will go here to customize your profile, so you will tap here. After that you will find settings. You will click on your settings in this page. Then this page of your settings, what you will have is phone number here. Add another recovery option or add phone number. You will tap here and then you can add your phone number. When you add it, you will click on submit and it will be fixed for you. So this is how it works. If you enjoy watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.